abusia asamojan akodi shatawele ho konkonsa ama ne ho akire no yes asamojan ne ho akire no ena shatawele na mu nso wahu ne ho akire no ewo konkonsa ya asamojan eho asamojan watimi akodi about shatawele na mesremo yadi ahyiamu mu a mi beyidi ekoni de asi nyina ama mo iden ama mo hunu bia ensem binom eka omo de ehu na ye ba behwe ewo sa so yesu se 3 in when Islam before ye be call wo mo ensem ne mu deep konkonsa asamojan akodi no ye fa we entwam bransa
ya da wo ne papa ba ene wo na ze unu ya no wo hunda
da bi se me mamba obi be unu mamba obi na ya da bu papa e fa da bu koye
okay be ya da bu mo nde wan ko hobi da ti wunyi ne ye no hu unu ya da o ma me o yi
mama o kuma se ai
ana just you hunu na o chire mu se de esi ye because na nimu nso de nkasa yawo be friend manager kasa manager ndi apart from obra yawo unu ya mo enan na mo wodada no omo nyina nso so asewa
ba mama memba ndie owu be omushisha muna omushisha ba owu be nteme ndie omushisha ya na ba ya tintin
di mu nyina mo tete sa na ebi aya tintin
ba mene ya da bo de na ye titia
aze uji tumze wa mo eti ntime nka sa dunu amu no omo nyina nso omo de omo nyankete sa wo
da bebe mu ade wa bai mene ya da bo na se ye titia wo
asa wo de mente krada ya se be ma ti ase ya wo hunu ma je se wa free na afi de ne baba ko ba do no papa kasada ya da bo papa eya wa papa
dabi se me mama no be wu ye no na mama de me ka hospital no de me e ba kuma se na da wo papa so ode no ba ko ye
o papa ngasa onyine ewa hunda
o papa nkasa nini ye ma hunda dabi
no na de na chirasa onu ana ya adabo
abusia we obi so abusia mu nsem obi abusia mu nsem ya adabo ene chirasa ni nuanam ensem ba mi se de ni se bia ye se wo se ninti na wo ka se ni oso mu ya nuafo nso ampa but se de wo si chire no utimu se ebe different father but the same mother ena ya adabo papa e de ya adabo edwa ekoye wata nti ya dabo ewo ni papa ho aya da eno no nso ewo ba bia wo hula no na wo kire ni nsem nti ye follow de benya bia no ye de bebre mo mesere mo ye nkohwe konkonsen ya ye kan sen asamojan so akodi ni wo ye shatawale ho a ama shatawale ho
a se ayi asamojan ni kodi konkonsan se shatawale roso se na nya no bia settings na wo asamojan so unua ato Rolls Royce na wo no wo di konkonsa se enye ne dia fa ho enye ne dia fa ho wo shatawale e peza samoyan u case ba ya Ghana fo kana wo di o matem se mo obi anka oba e di adwuma di wo no obi e kana wo du jimi abetra ho so asia shatawale nya ska onfanko to fie so ba nkwaji wala ne o odi ato Rolls Royce ayo nya ne di akura na obi di ano di ahan a onimnya nsachen o isi awo landing fie o baaji e twaji one ne mpra ne team no mu chere enti anya ne di a fa ho unya ska bo mfaso amaso wo fa da landing fie wo fa ne twon zio school ona landing fie e twekeke na aje o landing fie nti wo kura de o nka me meka obi asemu technically wale ni nyansa chen
abusia technically wali enimi nyansa echan enti according to ye can say wunua no asemojan akogosepi about Shatawale say Rolls Royce no Lamborghini no enye ne dia settings aye chese konkonsen okodi ye na chese enam so ama sofa yoko fonso twino abasande sere sofa shata ehunu ne ho anu atwene dwena so abebie ye saki we about die asemojan so atimi aye den aye say yam papa asemojan so atimi aye sade ankabusian o shoki fancy pa
Thomas Tay Partey. Oh, Thomas Tay Partey. Look, if you ask me, Eden, to show you a strong man, I'm going to show you Thomas Tay Partey. We are not talking about this. We are talking about this mental strength. Thomas Tay Partey and how he played for Villarreal yesterday against Levante. Myself a shock. 11 minutes on the pitch. 11 minutes on the pitch. He played very well, bossed the midfield, 100% pass accuracy. What else do you expect from Thomas Tay Partey? This is a player who is going through a lot. If Thomas Tay Partey sits you down and tells you his problems, you yourself, you cry for Thomas Tay Partey. I'm telling you, you cry for him. But then yesterday, he came out as a man to play for Villarreal, and they ended up winning that game. Currently, if you check the Spanish La Liga table, Villarreal sits third with 48 points. With the help of Thomas Tay Partey, trust me, they could secure European spot for next season. I'm telling you, with the help of Thomas Tay Partey, it is possible. We are talking about a player who was called out by his coach. Yeah, Thomas Tay Partey was called out by his own coach because of his performances at the club. Not only that, Thomas Tay Partey was injured, groin injury, for nearly 3 weeks. The game he played against Levante was the first time he played since he had that injury. That is not all. There is a fresh case concerning Thomas Tay Partey. 2 new counts of rape. This is separate from his previous case, which is 5 counts of rape and 1 count of sexual assault involving 3 women. This one, fresh one. And the new court case, he's scheduled to appear in court next month, 13th of March, next month. But then he still played football so well for Villarreal. He played as if there was no issues. I know a lot of people were having issues like Thomas Tay Partey, what he's going to, can he even play the World Cup for Ghana? We have all seen it. 11 minutes, he has shown us that, look, those issues he's having outside the pitch can remain outside the pitch. He will deal with it. But when he's on the pitch and he's playing football, what matters is the team he's playing for. They win. And that is Thomas Tay Partey for you. The last time I spoke about Thomas Tay Partey, I stated that when he was facing issues, trust me, he was even scoring goals for Ghana. He scored a goal against Central African Republic in the World Cup qualifiers. He provided an assist to Mohamed Kudus' goal against Comoros, the last game we played in the World Cup qualifier. The assist came from Thomas Tay Partey. During that period, he was still facing issues. You understand my point? And I'm happy he's back on the pitch and playing. Look, if you ask me, Edem, show me a strong man, I'm going to show you Thomas Tay Partey. Look at that performance. 11 minutes on the pitch. Someone who just returned from injury. Look at that performance. Thomas Partey.
Abusia na kire se asemojan ekodi konkonsa ewo Shatawale ehunwi aye de etwegu a efa Thomas Partey ehun a ono nso ene so far wo ba bi owo na cases egu ne so ene chese no mo egu ne so no enya agro but all the same no unia ene na minyina mu still edi enkunimu abusia eye agwamase mesrew say obe subscribe to your channel for update. Mamifa wo NC ahasiye.